So here we are to define some other terms. Allergens. So allergens are antigens that elicit hypersensitivity or allergic reactions. So allergens are those substances which will induce allergies or which will cause allergies and discomfort. Allergic asthma. Allergic asthma is the constriction of the bronchial tree due to an allergic reactions to inhaled antigen. So if you want to get rid of this allergic asthma, then we have to figure out the allergen, that from which thing we have allergy. If we can avoid it, then we can avoid allergic asthma. Then we come to this allergic conjunctivitis. The lining of the eye, called the conjunctiva, manifests allergic conjunctivitis in sensitized individuals exposed to allergens, and their eyes will become red and watery due to this allergy. Allergic reactions. So an allergic reaction is a response to innocuous environmental antigen or allergens due to pre-existing antibody or primed T cells. There are various immune mechanisms of allergic reactions, but the most common is the binding of allergen to IgE antibody on mast cells, which causes asthma, hay fever, and other common allergic reactions. So the two things are required here. One is IgE antibody and the mast cells. So mast cells have receptors for the binding of IgE, and when these two IgE molecules which are bound to the mast cells, they will be cross-linked by the allergen, then it will start allergic reaction or it will start allergy. That is runny nose, watery eyes, sneezing, so and maybe eczema. Allergic rhinitis. Allergic rhinitis is an allergic reaction in the nasal mucosa, also known as hay fever, that causes runny nose, sneezing, and tears. So, allergic rhinitis is an allergic reaction in the nasal mucosa, also known as hay fever, that causes runny nose, sneezing, and tears. So, allergy is a symptomatic reaction to a normally innocuous environmental antigen. It results from the interaction between the antigen and antibody or primed T cell produced by earlier exposure to the same antigen. So, is something about the allergy, allergens, and allergy responses and allergic reactions. So, in it we see that first we define allergens are antigens that elicit hypersensitivity reactions. Allergic asthma, in which the constriction in the bronchial tree of the lungs will take place, which will result in wheezing sounds and also difficulty in breathing. In allergic conjunctivitis, it will result in redness of the eyes and allergy in the eyes. Allergic reactions, the reaction in which allergy will take place. Allergic rhinitis, that allergic reaction in the nasal mucosa, also known as hay fever. And allergy is the response of our body to the allergen.